Dwi. Pawb i ddweud. So let's do this in a very old-fashioned way. Let's go straight through them. Dwi'n. Rwy ti'n. Mae e. Mae hi. Dyn ni. Dych chi. Mae'n nhw. So, nawr dyn ni'n mynd i bwyntio. Dwi'n. Point to your partner. Rwy ti'n. Point to one man over there. Mae e. Point to one woman. Mae hi. Right. Os ydych chi gyda'n gilydd together, dyn ni'n dweud dyn ni'n. Group hug. Okay, dyn ni'n. Dych chi'n. And then it's them over there, not important. Mae'n hwn. Don't even look at them. Mae'n hwn. Mae'n hwn. Felly, dwi'n. Rwy ti'n. Mae en. For a man. Mae hi'n. Dyn ni'n. Group hug. Dych chi'n. Mae'n hwn. Unwaith eto, dwi'n. Rwy ti'n. Mae e. Mae hi. Dyn ni'n. Dych chi'n. Mae'n hwn. Ac mewn gwirionedd, dych chi'n gallu cymryd unrhyw un o'r berfau, any one of these verbs on the wall. So os dyn ni'n dweud rhywbeth fel, os dyn ni'n gymryd berf fel redeg. So redeg, os dych chi'n dweud, I run 10 miles every morning, dych chi'n dweud, dwi'n redeg. Pawb? Dwi'n redeg. I run a company, dwi'n redeg cwmni. Dwi'n redeg cwmni. If you say he runs a company, mae e'n redeg cwmni. If you say she runs a marathon every other week, mae hi'n redeg marathon bob yn ail wythnos, okay? Or you say, we. Right? We run the mafia in Swansea. Dyn ni'n redeg y mafia yn Abertawe. Okay? Dych chi'n dweud, well, you're running out of money here. Dych chi'n redeg allan o arian. But it's the... Yma. So, dych chi'n redeg. Pawb? Dych chi'n redeg. Okay? Allan o arian. Allan o arian, but it's the whole thing. Dwi'n redeg, rwy ti'n redeg, mae e'n redeg, mae hi'n redeg, dyn ni'n redeg, dych chi'n redeg, mae'n nhw'n redeg.
Where does mae fe come from?
E a fe, in different, if you have it at, if you have it after mae, it's mae e. If you say, who did that? He did it. Pwy nath ni? Fe. So, who did the dastardly deed? He did it. Just say him. It was him. Fe. Accuse him. Right? Who broke that bell? Pwy dorrodd y gloch? Fe. So fe is him just by itself.